Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Virgos, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Virgos, if you have some doubts or if you want some answers for your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys, Virgos. So, let's start with the cards for your general energy. So we have Magician, Devil in reverse, Emperor in reverse. So Virgos, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are someone really kind and compassionate, guys, and maybe with the people around you, you are a person with responsibility. So you look after people, you take care of them. That may be the reason people love to be with you and they come to you for ideas and suggestions, guys. And you are someone who has your intuition guiding you. You feel really inspired, confident, and you are a very skilled and talented person. You have innovative ideas, and your thinking, your thought process is so different, and you are able to see things clearly with your knowledge and experience. And you give people help and guidance when they come to you, and that may be the reason there are people always considering you as their friend and coming to you for some kind of help and support, guys. And maybe in your relationship today, guys, Virgos, it may be your energy or their energy. I feel that it is mostly their energy, guys. So, this person you love, maybe they are having some habits, guys, some addictions, and it is simply worrying them. They don't know how to handle these addictions, they want to come out of it, they are trying to control this behavior, but it is really hard for them to do that. It is a painstaking process. They are doing their best, trying their best, putting a lot of efforts to overcome these addictions, and they are unable to do it, guys. And that may be the reason for some troubles you see in this relationship, guys. Maybe their behavior, they love you, they feel really happy to be with you, but still when they have these addictive behavior, the way they are is totally different. So when they are indulging in these addictions, guys, so that may be the reason for some troubles. So the card for your relationship, guys, so looks like you are struggling a lot, or maybe this person is struggling a lot to hold on to this love. Hold on, wait. But if you can hold on a little longer, maybe this person will come out of these bad habits and addictions, guys. So this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So there are a lot of efforts involved in holding on to this love, and it is simply giving you a lot of pain today. But if it is true love, you will be able to wait, guys. And that is what I feel. Maybe it may be your energy, and also it may be their energy, guys. So if it is true love they have on you, they will be willing to hold on for you, guys. So for your career situation, it's lovers. So some collaboration, positive, a collaboration with great potential is coming in your career situation, guys. And it may be a life changing opportunity that is reaching you today, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says juniper tree, deception. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your relationship for some of you, or it may be in your life, maybe in your general circumstances. You are carrying some burden on your shoulder and it is not your problem, it is not your responsibility, and this responsibility lies with another person, but you are thinking that it is your fault and it is your duty to do certain things. But you must let go of that, guys. Let go of that responsibility for that situation. And you should not think and feel sad about something happening around you, or it may be this circumstance, and you are thinking that it is all your mistake and your fault. But you need to understand that you are a person with a beautiful heart, a helping, kind nature. That may be the reason you feel this way. And you feel that, or you must have lost someone really close to you. And this separation is the reason for sadness. And maybe you feel that it is your fault that this person has left you, and the separation is your fault, your mistake, and you are the one responsible for that. But you should not lose hope, guys. Maybe there is a third party involved, that may be the reason for this separation. So you need to do the right thing, and the person who has left you will return to you. So you should not be impulsive today, and whatever kindness and compassion you have in your heart, or whatever you have shown to others, will come back to you multifold, and you are getting a second chance today, guys, at this love. Maybe you should not lose hope. That is what I mean with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, it says happiness. So with this card, guys, it just means that in our day-to-day life we are often see so much stress in our life, we are worried all the time, and we forget that happiness comes from within us. So, with this card, we are just asked to see the simple things that bring happiness to our life, live each moment, and fully experience the present moment. So, simple things, just seeing a butterfly fluttering around or just a dog wagging its tail, whatever it is, all that is going to bring us happiness. So, even at times when we are sad and stressed, the small things that bring us happiness, when we see that, when we are aware of that, we feel uplifted and we'll begin to see happiness in all the areas of our life, guys. And the same way, when we put a smile on someone's face with a simple act of kindness, when we just smile, or a simple smile maybe to a stranger, it will bring a moment of joy to them, guys, and it will bring a great difference in their life. It will simply inspire them to be more happy and confident. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to be happy today. Maybe we see a lot of stress and sadness in our circumstances, but no matter what our circumstances are, guys, when we are happy, happiness attracts more happiness. So we'll be more happy and successful in our life if we feel that joy and bliss through the simple things that we see around us. Maybe simple things in nature or in our surroundings. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.